Synthetic data. What is it exactly and what do we need it for? By answering these questions, this video provides a short introduction to synthetic data. In short, synthetic data is artificially generated data that mimics real-world data. Machine learning models and algorithms can be trained by data scientists and others to generate synthetic data that has very similar characteristics as data based on real-world observations. Synthetic data can take on many forms, just like data based on the real world. For example, synthetic data comes in the forms of databases, in text form, or even in the form of pictures. Now, why do we even need synthetic data? Why not use data based on the real world? Information and data is an essential component of our world. It is used to develop new technologies. We use data to learn about the world and societies we live in, and people use data to make informed decisions. Every one of us generates and often uses data every single day. However, not all data and information is always available to everyone that would need it. Some data is protected by regulations, such as the GDPR, and thus cannot be shared or used for all purposes. This includes, for example, personal data, such as someone's age or gender. Although such protections are very useful and necessary, they may hinder new insights and advancements that could be derived from this data. Synthetic data doesn't rely on or contain personal data when generated correctly. Instead, it contains information about non-existing people or non-existing observations, meaning that the use of synthetic data safeguards everyone's privacy. Other times, data is hard to come by. For example, data on natural crises such as tsunamis is rare. Scientists could use more data to create simulations and improve future forecasting of such rare events. Synthetic data can help in that endeavor, in that scientists could generate more data that is similar to the data collected based on real-world events. Another issue of real-world data is that it can take a lot of time and money to collect it. Synthetic data, on the other hand, can be generated comparatively quick. Thus, researchers or other individuals can spend less time on collecting real-world data and add synthetic data to the collected one. Synthetic data can be useful in various fields. For example, in machine learning and AI, synthetic data can be used to train models when real data is insufficient or unavailable. Synthetic data can be used in scientific research or medical trials to protect the privacy of individuals. Companies, organizations, or government agencies could share data and information without revealing personal information when using synthetic data. And synthetic data can be used to test new technologies, such as self-driving cars. Although it has many advantages, using synthetic data is not without risks. One of those risks is the so-called privacy-utility trade-off. If synthetic data is generated to ensure the privacy of certain individuals, it cannot 100% correctly mimic real-world data. Another risk lies in potential biases. If real-world data already contains biases or other mistakes, synthetic data will adapt these biases or mistakes as well, and potentially even enhance them. In other words, synthetic data cannot enhance the quality of real-world data, it just mimics it. In summary, synthetic data is a powerful tool for addressing modern data needs. It cannot and should not replace real-world data, but it helps to overcome privacy issues and data scarcity, making it invaluable for innovation in various fields. For more detailed explanations on how synthetic data is generated, take a look at our other video.